Leetcode Daily Challenge 717 1 billion and 2 billion characters. This is an easy problem. We have to know the key point for this problem is the first zero from the right side. This is the only bit we care about. So imagine this case, whenever if we can have a zero, then no matter what is in front of this zero, there is one or zero or blah blah blah. We can make it to either one character or two character, one bit to character or two bits character, like this or this, which means all combination is possible. So there are only a few edge cases we have to taken care of. First of all, obviously, for the given array, the last element couldn't be 1. And second thing is, once we find any first zero in all the digits between this zero and the zero at the end of this array, there will be all digit 1 between them, and the total 1 will be the total number of the total number of digit 1 should be a even number. Otherwise, we couldn't make it like this because it's a pure digit 1 substring. It has to be number of even number. That's all we have to check. Remember, the key point is the first zero from the right side.